welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another DIY phonics based activity. This activity is actually available in all leading learning resources products, but they are quite expensive. So this is my take on a DIY with reusable items right available in your home. So let's dive right into the video. What you will need. You will need some markers, a stapler, some pages of a memo pad. You can also use post-its for this, and a scrap piece of cardboard. This cardboard was actually the flap of a packaging box that I received, so I have just made use of that. So basically you would need two different colors of the memo pads, and on one color you are going to write all the consonants in one shade of the marker. So here I have listed all the consonants, and on another stack also I have mentioned the consonants. So one stack would be your beginning sounds and the second stack would be your ending sounds. And on a different color you would require just 5 pages or 5 sheets on which you are going to write your vowels. Now instead of memo pads, you can also make use of normal A4 size sheets in different colors and then cut them to squares. Being a little tight on time, I always make sure that I can use something which is really fast and available to me, that I can create any activity within a short period of time, and hence memo pads or post-its to the rescue. So now you can easily use this DIY flip chart. Just staple them and you're good to go. So the child can start reading the CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So you go s, a, t, sat, s, a, p, sap, t, a, p, tap. And then change it. T, e, n, 10. You can also use this for 2-letter words, and that is why I have included a blank page here, so that this remains covered. And now the child can read 2-letter words. At, a, n, an, I, n, in, etc. So this is a very nice way of practicing CVC words on the move. You can take this, just put it in your bag, in your purse. It is extremely flat, so your child can just carry it to a restaurant while you're on a drive or in the airplane, and it takes, mind you, hardly less than 5 minutes to create, and you really do not need a lot of expensive items. Now the same activity can be also used for various other purposes. You can also use this for dictation. For example, if I give the child a word like cat, so the child basically looks for the consonant k, a, t, cat. Now if I change it to cot, so the child just has to flip the middle stack and find the O sound. So this way you can work on both beginning sound recognition, middle sound recognition, and ending sound recognition, plus reading of CVC words or just 2-letter words, just with one flip. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I upload a new video on my channel. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.